We bought a car. It completely matches the carpet in the car.
Tidy and safe.
We bought a 2007 Subaru Forester XT off Marketplace with grand plans to create our own DIY project car, but with a twist. And in this episode, we finally see if our creation works. This is the Mad Garage all-terrain coffee delivery service, the Gravel Express-O. Our Gravel Express-O glow up is nearly finished, but no makeover will be complete without a spa day.
Yes, today is all about pampering. We're going to give that paintwork a polish that it deserves. We're going to go inside the car, give it a full detail, and we're going to add some final accessories before we hit the trails and most likely undo all that hard work.
That's the plan. I'm not sure how long these decals have been on, but it's time to go. Also time for a jet wash so we can prep the body for a proper cut and polish. Honestly, this might have been Dan's favourite part. Inside, this wasn't your average vacuum and wipe over. It's seats out, a proper shampoo of the carpets, conditioning of the seats, and a thorough clean. That is the dirty water that's come out of this car. Lovely. Gross. Oh wow, it's all clumpy, all the... Oh wow, look at that, look at that.
That is revolting.
Yeah.
Better out than in.
Jet wash done, it was now time to get the paint back to its original sparkling Newport blue. When you think of a cut and polish, you usually think of a lot of elbow grease. But say hello to our dual action polisher. Now for some final touches. So fresh. A and C options. Pop that in there.
Make it loud.
And here she is in all her glory. Isn't she a beauty? The Mad Garage Gravel Express-O. Build one of one. Right where she belongs, on the dirt. But first, we had to test the coffee machine. And what better way than kicking the morning shift off for the legends at our local Supercheap Auto with a caffeine delivery.
Yes!
The team here have gone above and beyond during this build, so it was great to be able to share the final result with them and see what they think. With the morning in full swing, it was on to the off-road test. We're heading out to Lerderderg State Park, a haven for off-road enthusiasts with tracks for all capabilities, and we thought it would be the perfect location to put the Gravel Express-O to the test. I think it's going to be a bit of a dark horse, this thing. Obviously, it's not a full off-roader. We put the lift kit in. Apart from that, it's stock and some all-terrains.
Yeah.
So, doesn't have a lot of the hardcore equipment if you're building an off-road vehicle. But I think this car's known for punching above its weight.
Yeah,
so it'll be good to see if it can and how it does.
Absolutely. And full disclosure, we are not the first people to turn a predominantly road-going Subaru into a more off-road capable thing, but it's going to be really interesting to see how this specific one does.
The first descent was unknown. Right now, we aren't really sure of its capability or limitations. But that went well. Let's try a harder one. But I guess we will find out.
Nice and slowly in.
Yeah, but I can't go too slow because I'm not going to have the
That's good, that's good.
momentum there.
Yeah, that's it. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Yeah, got it, nailed it. Absolutely brilliant.
Yes.
Yeah.
You just got to have that feel. Yeah, like momentum. I'm going to go a bit left here.
Go on.
Okay, moment of truth.
What was that you were saying about finding a limit? I can smell burning rubber.
I just think we need to try again. Nice and slowly, slowly. Now fast, now fast, now fast, now fast, now fast. Now fast! Yes! I thought it was stuck in.
That was amazing. I
Just don't
honestly
leap.
did not think we were going to do that. That makes me nervous.
Really? Keep some room.
What a view.
Whilst the Gravel Express-O is by no means a hardcore off-roader, we can confidently say it punches above its weight. When we found this gem on Marketplace, we had a concept of what we wanted to do, but whether it would actually work or not was a complete unknown. But there was one final thing we had to do to test all of our theories.
Ooh.
So it's time to find the perfect picnic spot.
Wow.
Oh, they look like real chicken wings. That's the best nugget I've ever had.
Where?
It's everything I dreamed of. And
Cheers.
it tastes better because it was cooked with nothing more than the energy from the sun.
I think that's been a success. What should we do next?
I've got an idea of
Yeah?
how to make the espresso even better.
Yeah? You want to put the express in espresso?
Yes, I do.
Sure. Rarely does a car project go to plan, and whilst we certainly uncovered our share of curveballs along the way, together with Supercheap Auto, we successfully gave this wonderful car a new and unique lease on life. We set out to prove that you don't need to be a professional or have an open checkbook to take on your own project and create something special. In just 2 weeks, we're so proud of the result and hope that this may inspire you to get in the workshop and give your own project a crack.